Welcome back to Maximum Collector. Today we are doing a Rick and Morty Mystery Mini unboxing. This is my son's very first video and very first unboxing, and this is going to be his first Rick and Morty collectible. Take it away, Jonathan.
Hello, I'm Jonathan, and this is my first Rick and Morty Mystery Minis unboxing video. Oh dear.
Is there any particular one you want the most?
Side here shows all the different types you can get. I'm looking forward to get... I can't remember his name, but he's a ripoff of a nightmarish character that we like.
I see.
Scary Terry, I think was his name. Okay, so let's get into the package.
I really want Pickle Rick. You better not get Pickle Rick. See if you can guess what that is.
Feeling around.
It's a levitating box.
Oh dear. Well, it has a lot of extra features on it. I really don't know what this could be. Let's open it up.
Oh dear. Once you get it open there, take a little peek before you show it.
I've never been good at opening these. I've never been good at opening these packages. Ah.
Am I going to be mad?
No, I don't believe so. But another one I was kind of looking forward to.
I'm going to be mad if it's Bird Person. It is Bird Person!
To elaborate, it is the...
Actually, yes, you're right.
Mecha Bird Person.
Which I think his name is actually Phoenix Person.
Oh, yeah. When they rebuilt him, they renamed him Phoenix Person. He's got a lot of good details on the wings there. Probably my favorite detail about this. And his bionic eye. See if he can stand up. Oh, looks good.
Cool.
All balanced.
So that's awesome. You got your first collectible Mystery Mini, and it's a great one. Actually, I'm kind of jelly, but you know, maybe we'll get doubles and I'll get to trade. Oh, but we give doubles away. So,
Yeah.
Who knows? We'll see what happens. We still got that giveaway going on. If you guys like and subscribe, you also need to comment in one of the videos. And when we hit 100 subscribers, which means you also need to get your friends to subscribe, get your relatives to subscribe. I know I got friends of mine's kids who subscribe and look forward to these videos every Friday. We try and post them on Friday if at all possible, depending on schedules and whatnot. This is going to be posted on Friday, but it might be later in the evening, so you can catch it on Saturday or Friday, late Friday night. So, thank you so much for watching, and as always, maximum effort.